Last weekend we went to Edinburgh and took part in a hands-on cadaver dissection to learn about facial anatomy. So what it means, cadaver means a human corpse. So 4 of us had a human head and we were practicing on that. And in these videos I'm gonna just briefly tell you what it was about, and future videos I'm gonna talk about more details and learning points, that what it means in my aesthetic practice. So when we learn about facial anatomy in the medical school, muscles come through like this from the books, but this is very far from the reality. So what we did in Edinburgh, first a professor of anatomy explained the anatomy of the area, and then we had a syringe with colored dye in it, and we injected the area, and then we finally dissected the area and checked where the dye is in relation to the muscles. And what we discovered, that the reality, the real anatomy is much more subtle, much more detailed than the muscles that you can see in the books. So in the future videos I'm going to talk a little bit more about certain areas and what I have learned from the cadaver dissection session. So watch the space, and thank you for watching.